Hey crafters, it's your girl again with another video. So today's video is gonna be about what you need to start a tutu business. If you're thinking about starting a tutu business and you've been going back and forth, honey, go ahead and start. If you're wondering what you need to start this business, easy peasy, I got you, because I'm gonna be sharing everything you need to the pin on what exactly you're gonna need to start this business. But anyways, so, 2023 is approaching. Everybody got dreams, vision boards, goals for 2023. Everybody got stuff that they want to accomplish. So if you are that person that you've been thinking about starting a business, or you're trying to start tutu business to be specific, then keep on watching, because this video is going to be so beneficial to you, because I'm going to be sharing everything you need to start this business. This is a very good business. It is very good because you can make a lot of money making tutu. This for when you go to Etsy, you can sell tutu is sold for $75 a set. That's with the shirt and the tutu. You can literally make $75. You can literally sell this set for $75. That's a lot of money. Think about it. It's a lot of money. So as you can see, they are so beautiful and they are so worth it. So I can definitely pay $75 to get something beautiful like this. Can't you? Won't you? But anyways, guys, there's a lot of money making tutus, and it is fun to do. It is very easy. To me, it is so relaxing. When I do it, I get so excited because I see what I have created, and I get so like tickled, like, oh my gosh, I can't believe I did this. So if you want to learn how to do it, I have videos on how to sew a tutu, and also I have videos on how to create a shirt. So you have all in one package with this channel: how to get the design printed on a shirt, and I have videos on how to create a tutu. So don't miss out on those videos. Make sure you're watching those videos, and if you need to repeat the videos and help yourself learn it. I learned that way. I'm a self-learned person. I learned everything on YouTube here, so you can also learn from YouTube here. You don't have to go to a specific school, go meet somebody to teach you how to do it. On YouTube, you can learn everything. So I have all the videos you need to learn how to make it. But this video is going to be about what you need to start this business. So without wasting much time, let's get into this video, right? So of course, when starting this business, I'm going to have to show you everything. So in order to start this business, the number one thing you're going to need is a sewing machine. And it doesn't matter what sewing machine you buy. I have the Brother sewing machine, and it is the Brother LX3817. You don't have to buy this specific one. You can buy whatever sewing machine you can afford. And this sewing machine, I cannot remember how much I bought it. I bought it at Walmart. It was so affordable. Even though I bought it before the pandemic, so it was really affordable. And one thing I gotta let you know is, if you can afford it, buy the machine that can help you feed your thread if you can afford it. That's something that I told myself if I had known, I would have gotten. So I did not know much about sewing machine. I did not find no video that told me much about sewing machines, so I just went ahead to buy me the one that I could afford. And I'm still gonna upgrade. I want to upgrade to something that is gonna help me feed my thread. So just something I thought I should let you guys know. So sewing machine is the number one thing in this whole process. And if you don't know how to handle sewing machine, you don't know how to use sewing machine, let me know in the comment section. I will be making a video, a detailed video on how to use a sewing machine. And but anyways, another thing you're gonna need is your tool. So this tool, I bought them from Walmart and Hobby Lobby. You can find this Walmart, in Hobby Lobby, in any craft store. Check them out. Look for it in any craft store that sells like fabrics. Even Joann's fabric, they do sell it. So but I love to go to Hobby Lobby because enjoy their service compared to Walmart. For Walmart, you have to go look for the people at the fabric section. So I did not like my last experience, so I'm not gonna recommend Walmart. But if it's where you have close to you, go for it. But so I bought this. I think a yard is like $1 and some cents. I cannot remember, $1.29, something really cheap. So that's why I say this is a really good business, because can imagine you buy this $1 and whatever cents. So 10 yards is what I love to use for my tutus. So this is 10 yards, and I spent less than $15 for the fabric. Where you're gonna spend a lot of money, it's the ribbons. So just have that in mind. All right. So another thing you're gonna need is your scissors, of course. You're gonna need your pin, and this pin you use it for your band. When you're passing your band through your channel, you use a pin for that. And of course, you're gonna need your band. You are gonna need your bobbin. These are what we put inside the machine, the inside part of it. So you're gonna need that. I bought this pack. It was empty though from Walmart, so I just fill in the thread. I threaded this up. When I need a color, I just fill it up and use it. So I bought this from Walmart. It was affordable. I cannot remember. Of course, you're gonna need your #1 best friend. Ooh, your tape. Of course, I've had this tape forever. Before I even thought about this business, I've had this tape forever. So of course, you're gonna need your tape. You're gonna need your thread, whatever color of thread you need to start with. It depends on the color of the tool that you want to use. So if you're going for a white tool, of course you know you're gonna need a white thread. If you're going for an orange tool, you're gonna need an orange thread. But I'm just showing you what you need. You don't I'm just showing you a different color. Like I have different colors of thread. And you're gonna need your lighter. Your lighter, you use it for your ribbon. When you cut your ribbon, you use it to seal it so it don't unravel. And of course, you're gonna need your floor mat measurements or table mat measurements. If you can either go for this or you go for this. This one is on the expensive side. If you cannot afford this for the start, you can go for this. It just helps me when I buy more than 10 yards that I'm used to. I use this to just like measure it. I'm going like this, measuring each time. I just use it to fold and fold and fold, get my 1, fold and fold, get my 2. So that this floor measurement or mat measurement helps with that. Another thing you're gonna need your ribbons for your tutu, for your tool. These ribbons are what helps that makes the tutu to look really, really good. So it depends on what design you're going for. If you're going for certain design, you're gonna need a ribbon for that. So what I usually do, I make sure my ribbons kind of like make sense too. Like the colors of my ribbon, I make sure they kind of blend together. I don't just pick colors, crazy colors, and put them together, and make sure they are pleasant to the eyes. So, and just like this tutu that I have here, you can see the colors, everything is like blending together. So I think when going for tutu, you will learn you will have to be very color conscious so that everything can blend together. You can actually use a white shirt for this tutu or a black shirt. I went for a farmer's market a craft show. That's the reason why I switched this to a black, because I have a lot of tutu with white, so I paired this up with a black. So of course, another thing you're gonna need your mannequins. That's if you want to use mannequins to for marketing, to place your tutu and take pictures. This mannequins helps your picture to come out good, just an FYI. So you are gonna need mannequin, either one. You can start with one. I actually started with this one here, and later I bought more mannequins because I usually go for craft shows, so I had to buy like 4 of them, so that when I go for craft shows, I can display my craft. So that's the reason why I have 4. You don't have to have 4. You can have just 1, just for pictures, and you can use that to take pictures and put that on your Etsy store or your website, whatever platform you decide to use to sell your tutu on. That this here will help you for marketing. I think I have covered everything you're gonna need to start a tutu business. So guys, those are everything you're gonna need to start your tutu business. So I advise you, if you're thinking about it, please do not sit down on that information. There's a lot of money for everybody to make in this world. So do not sit down on your idea. Go for it. Be a go-getter this 2023. Whatever you've been planning to do, or if you've been planning on going into business and don't know what business to go into, I would definitely 100% recommend this business. But you have to give the business some time. And if you realize that sewing is not your thing, then you can go try other businesses, just like making t-shirts, because you guys know I make t-shirts. This is one of them that I made. So if you know that is not your thing, you can go into making business t-shirts. And I made a video on what you need to start a t-shirt business if that's your route. But if you want to go this tutu route, then I'll suggest you go for it. But one thing is, you have to pair it up with a shirt so it can look good. So that's something that I'll advise you to go for. You have to, if you're going for a tutu, you have to learn how to make the shirt. But if you want me to make the shirt for y'all, let me know. I haven't thought about it. I'm just thinking about it right now. I think I can provide that service for you guys. If you want me to make a specific shirt for you guys, let me know. I can provide a service. I think I can do it. I can do it. But I'm just trying to encourage you guys to get into it. So if you know it's gonna be too much on you, learning how to make tutu and making the shirt at the same time is just gonna be too much on you, let me know. I can definitely provide a service for you to help you make the shirts. And if you know you cannot make the tutu, is a lot of work for you, I think I also can provide that service. I can make the tutu for you guys, and for affordable amounts. It's gonna depend on the numbers of ribbon. So I'm just thinking, I don't want to commit myself, but I can help you guys just to kickstart your business for you. If you want me to make the tutu for you guys, I think I can do it. I'm just telling myself right now, because I never planned on this. It's something I'm just talking about, and I'm just trying to help you here. So if it's a service you want me to provide for you guys, let me know. I can definitely help out with that. But other than that, go for it. Do it, because you can do it. You can do all things. That's one thing I always tell my daughter. You can do whatever you put your heart into. So that's what I'm telling. That's what I am saying. We can do whatever we put our heart into. We just gotta try. If you don't try, you will not know what you can do. I had to try, because I never knew the potentials I had in me until I started doing stuff. And my sister was like, I can't believe you're doing all of this. I can't believe you can make tutu set now. I'm like, yep, I had to try. She's like, I was like, yeah, I gotta, I had to come out of my comfort zone to do something I've never done before. I never went to no fashion school, no nothing. I just learned from YouTube videos, and today I am making my tutu set, and I'm making money off of it. This here, don't they just look beautiful? I think they do. But anyways, guys, if that is something you're thinking about, please go for it. It doesn't hurt to try. If you don't try, you will not know what you got in you. So you gotta get out of your comfort zone and try. And if you fail the first time, don't give up, because your first time, there's always gonna be a failure the first time, but the second, third time, you're gonna find improvement. Because that was me. When I started making my tutus, it was a disaster. I was almost giving up. I'm like, no, maybe I have to look for somebody to be doing it for me so I can pay the person. That was the service I was looking for. That was why I was like, maybe I should give you that service. But I never find that person to help me do it. I had to push myself and push myself. I had to do another one and third one. And later I started gaining my confidence. So that's why I say you can do it. So, but anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. If this video was helpful, if you know I was talking to you, you know it for sure that I'm talking to you, go ahead and give me thumbs up. And if you know for sure I'm talking to you, tell me in the comment section. Just say, hey, it's me, or just say it's me, and I'll know for sure I actually communicated to somebody. If you know this was helpful, all I ask for is for you to give me a thumbs up so I know this information was helpful, and I hope you put this into action. Please don't sit down on this information. If you know you don't want to do it yourself, you need somebody's help, I can definitely help, but I don't know how long I'm gonna be helping with that. But that's something I'm just trying to help you guys. Maybe I'm gonna help just maybe 10 people to start. I don't want to overload myself because I also have my own business to pay attention. So maybe I'm just gonna help just 10 people, you know, make their tutus for them, and so that they can start something. And probably the shirt as well. I can help you guys do I can help you guys provide a service. If you ask for it, I can. I'm scared of commitment, but I can help you guys with that service. So, but you gotta ask for me to do it. But anyways, I'm just gonna help just 10 people. I don't think I want to do too much because, honey, I got mine too. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful. If this was helpful, please give me thumbs up, like this video, and share this video with somebody you think will need this information. Someone you know that is trying to get into a new business and don't know what to do. Introduce them into this here. This is very, very profitable. It's a very profitable business. You can make a lot of money making tutus, and just share with the person and have the person learn how to make it. I have videos on how to make it yourself, and if they don't want to do it themselves, they don't want none of that stress, I can help with that. But it's gonna be a limited time, but you gotta ask me, and you can DM me. I have my Instagram. It is the same as my YouTube channel name, LaLa Creative Design. Go add me on Instagram. Let's be friends. I usually post a lot of pictures of my work, so go follow me on Instagram. And I have a TikTok. As well. It is LaLa Creative Design, so go follow me on that platform as well, because I usually post stuff there, and I can also be informing you guys on stuff on those platforms. So go follow me on my TikTok, LaLa Creative Designs, or my Instagram, LaLa Creative Designs as well. And I'm working on my Facebook. I haven't like gotten that up and running like I want to. So if I get that up and running, it's definitely gonna be the same name, LaLa Creative Designs, all platforms. So check me out. Let's be friends and let's help each other grow. 2023 is gonna be our year in the name of Jesus. But anyways, guys, thank you so much, and I hope this was helpful. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you for hanging with me, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.